So respectable audience, we have to find the value of x. If you look this triangle, you will find that three sides of a triangle are 6 centimeter. So basically it is equilateral triangle. Okay, now AD, we name it AD. AD is perpendicular bisector and we have to find the value of x. AD. Okay, now if you look the perpendicular bisector mean it is 90 degree. We have two information from this AD line. It is basically a perpendicular bisector, so angle will be 90 and it will bisect BC 6 centimeter into two halves, mean it will become 3 and it also becomes 3. So if you look at it, this triangle, we name it triangle 1 and it is triangle 2. If you choose one of the triangle, either it is 1 or it is 2. Look, I will choose triangle 2. So triangle 2 is in triangle ACD. Okay, it is triangle 2. Here is triangle 2. It is in this position. It is perpendicular bisector. It is 3. It is 6. And here is x that we have to find. So if you solve it, it can be solved according to Pythagorean theorem, which is hypotenuse squared will be equal to base squared plus perpendicular squared. Now it is angle theta, so it will be base. And it is the longest side, so it is gone hypotenuse. And it is against the angle theta, so it is perpendicular. So perpendicular is x. We replace perpendicular as x, so it will become x squared. Base is here is base, it will become 3. So we will get 3 squared. And hypotenuse is 6, so here we can put 6 squared. Now 6 squared is equal to 36. And 3 squared will be equal to 9 plus x squared, which is our target. So 36 minus 9 will be equal to x squared, which will be equal to 27 x squared. Now we will take square root of both sides, so we will get x squared square root 27 square root, which will be written as 9 times 3. And here we will get x. It is obviously square root. Square root of 9 will be equal to 3, and square root of 3 is in decimal fraction. So we will get this as answer. It is the required value of x by using Pythagorean theorem. Thank you.